What does the marvelous spatuletail eat? Imagine a bird so vibrant and unique that it captures the essence of its lush surroundings. The marvelous spatuletail is one such bird, and its diet is as fascinating as its appearance. This remarkable hummingbird primarily feeds on nectar from a variety of native flowering plants. One of its favorite sources is the stunning red-flowered lily known as Bommeria formicissima. However, this bird does not stop there. It also visits at least 5 other species of flowers to satisfy its hunger. The marvelous spatuletail uses a feeding strategy called traplining. This means it follows a regular circuit of flowers, mark recapture at each one to drink nectar rather than hovering continuously. This method allows it to efficiently gather food while conserving energy. When foraging, the marvelous spatuletail often stays low, searching along the edges of shrubs and thickets. It particularly enjoys habitats that include thorny rubus plants and alder trees. In addition to feeding, males of this species establish territories and defend them against other males and larger insects like bumblebees. Interestingly, they can sometimes be outmatched by larger hummingbird species in the area. This territorial behavior is essential for ensuring they have access to their preferred food sources. The diet of the marvelous spatuletail is not just vital for its energy. It also plays a significant role in pollinating the native plants it visits. This relationship between the bird and the flowers highlights the importance of conserving its natural habitat. The marvelous spatuletail thrives in mature and secondary forests as well as montane scrublands, all located in a small region of northern Peru. Protecting the native flowering plants and the habitats where these birds live is essential for their survival. Conservation efforts that focus on maintaining these flowering plant communities are crucial for sustaining the marvelous spatuletail's diet. By ensuring that these birds have a steady food supply, we can support their continued existence in the wild. The marvelous spatuletail is not just a beautiful bird. It is a vital part of its ecosystem, and its feeding habits reminded us of the interconnectedness of nature.